How to make slowed and reverb songs. Slowed and reverb songs are a popular trend in music, and they can be created using a variety of methods. Here are 2 methods for creating slowed and reverb songs. Method 1. Using a music editing software. 1. Import the song that you want to slow down and reverb into a music editing software. 2. Determine the tempo of the song and slow it down by 50% to 75%. 3. Add reverb to the song. You can adjust the amount of reverb to your liking. 4. Export the song and listen to it. Method 2. Using a dedicated slowed and reverb app. There are a number of apps that can be used to create slowed and reverb songs. Some popular options include Audacity. This is a free and open source audio editor that can be used to slow down and reverb songs. Webasor. This is another free and open source audio editor that can be used to slow down and reverb songs. Slowed Reverb. This is a dedicated app for creating slowed and reverb songs. It is available for both iOS and Android. To use a slowed and reverb app, simply import the song that you want to slow down and reverb into the app. The app will then slow down the song and add reverb to it. You can then export the song and listen to it. Additional tips for creating slowed and reverb songs. Experiment with different tempos and amounts of reverb to find the sound that you like. If you are using a music editing software, you can also add other effects to the song, such as echo, delay, and distortion. If you are using a slowed and reverb app, you can often adjust the pitch of the song as well. This can be a fun way to create different sounds. Slowed and reverb songs are a fun and easy way to create new and interesting sounds. By following the methods outlined above, you can create your own slowed and reverb songs in no time.